The dispute between Senators Nancy Binay and Alan Peter Cayetano. Binay is considering filing an ethics complaint against Cayetano for his remarks against her during a Senate hearing on Wednesday. Here's the report.
I made my point. There's no such thing as 23 billion sa
Paulit-ulit na tayo
DPWH.
kanina
Thank you,
pa
Mr.
na
Chair.
21.7 billion. Kabuang Kanaday. Tapusin natin na maayos to. Senado to ng Pilipinas, hindi to palengke.
The heat between Senators Nancy Binay and Alan Peter Cayetano got more intense during the hearing on the new Senate building project on Wednesday. Binay questioned Cayetano's claim that the cost of the project she previously oversaw has reached 23 billion pesos. Upon walking out from the hearing, the lady senator called out Cayetano's remarks.
Ewan ko kung ano ibig sabihin niya ng palengke. Parang dinidimin niya ba yung mga nagtitinda sa palengke na may certain asal yung mga nagtatrabaho sa palengke na hindi katanggap-tanggap? Kasi parang bakit niya sinabi yung palengkera?
Binay is considering filing an ethics complaint against Cayetano. She said the senator was very unbecoming and ungentleman for calling her buang or crazy. Binay is also not expecting an apology from Cayetano despite feeling disrespected during the hearing. In response, Cayetano said he was just examining the cost of constructing the new Senate building in Taguig. He explained that the cost dramatically increased to 23 billion pesos because of construction delays. Cayetano insisted that this would have been prevented if the Department of Public Works and Highways had further cooperated with the Senate coordinating team. Senate President reminded the senators the purpose of the hearing.
23 billion is too much for a government building. Layunin ko i-review ito, mapababa ito, para paglipat ng Senado, hindi naman putukan sa muka ng institusyon yung pagiging sobrang magarbo. Hindi namin layunin, habulin, akusahan o siraan sino man dito.
The Senate hearing on the new Senate building project will continue next week.
Ayun, nalilihis kasi yung
Usapan.
usapin dahil nga
Nanganak
ito sa
yung-
dalawang magkaaway talaga.
Na-resurrect yung issue ng Taguig versus Makati
Yes,
between the
yung,
two families.
rift between
Cayetano and Binay, the Binay family.
Diba? Pero sa totoo lang talaga, ngayon naman talaga may delay
Yeah.
yung construction dyan sa Senate building. That's why nga tinitingnan din nila kung ano yung mga causes. And one of the causes would be yung mga paiba-iba daw or may mga dinadagdag dun sa design. Yung structure itself, it's done na. Pero yung mga design, yung kung ano yung mga ilalagay, ano yung idadagdag, doon daw nagkakaroon ng mga problema. Kaya nadidelay. Ngayon, mas talagang nadidelay ng nadidelay.
Actually, si SP Cheese naman from the start has made it clear na hindi siya nagsasabi may anomalya. Ang sinasabi lang ni SP Cheese, kunyari ikaw, parang ang pagkaintindi ko is papagawa ka ng bahay, tumataas ang cost mo, hindi naman kaagad akusahan mo na may anomalya. Teka lang, upo muna tayo, tignan natin bakit mataas to, pababain natin. Ganun lang ang ginagawa
Kasi
ni
nga
SP Cheese.
sinasabi ni SP Cheese, hindi daw niya kayang sikmurain na ganun kamahal yung opisina na gagawin for them. So
Ngayon,
linawin lang natin, di ba, nabanggit ko rin to yesterday, there are 3 phases itong construction ng Senate building. Phase 1 is the core and the shell. Phase 2 is the fit-out package kasama ng furnishing. Tiles, etc. That estimate cost is 2.5 billion. Yung phase 1, 8.9 billion na estimated cost. Yung phase 3, which is ito yung nakastop ngayon na construction, is ang estimated cost nga dito, ito yung sinasabi nila na additional, yung 10.33 billion. Ito yung to complete everything. So ito yung tinatry nilang tignan na bakit may ganito, bakit may additional, etc. Parang ang naririnig ko na issue dyan yung parang yung designer or yung architect or yung engineer ay hindi nakakipag-usap mismo sa mga senador doon sa kanila mga changes. Dumidiretso sila sa DPWH kasi DPWH ang executor nitong construction ng Senate building. So yun yung parang nagkakaroon ng problema doon. But at the end of the day, yun nga yung sinasabi mo kanina, wala naman daw silang nakikita, wag daw maging defensive na sinasabi nila na wala naman nakikitang may anomalya, etc. It's just that namamahalan sila masyado. Diba? Parang hindi daw masikmura ni Senator Cheese Escudero yung ganun kamahal. Diba? Dahil nga we have Filipinos na naghihirap, tapos yung Senate building natin ganun kamahal. So, alam mo na. Bakit?
Parang tatakbo ng Senado. Nag-speech ka na bigla eh.
Hindi yung speech. In-explain ko lang sa'yo kung ano yung mga nangyayari.
Senator Angela.
Ha, Your Honor, hindi ko na po maalala.
Remember, ha?
Your Honor, hindi
This
ko na
is the
maalala.
newsroom, okay?
Ano?
Yun lang.
Bakit? Hindi ko gets.
Nagjo-joke lang ako dahil sabi, ano daw to, Senado to, hindi daw to pala. Sasabihin ko,
ganun
it's a
ba?
newsroom.
Okay, sige.
Not a coffee shop.
Ah, okay.
Huwag ka asal coffee shop.
O bakit? Anong masama sa coffee shop?
Wala.